This Electrolux top-load washing machine came to us for repair. The issue is that its drain system is not functioning properly when it goes into spin mode. In this video, I'll show you how the drain system works, and if you encounter this issue, I'll explain how to fix your machine. As I mentioned earlier, this is an Electrolux machine, and its model number and other specifications are written here. This washing machine is made in Mexico. In a top-load washing machine, the motor and drain pump are located underneath, so you'll need to turn the machine upside down. First of all, remove the belt between the motor and pulley to make the repair process easier. We also needed to do some work on the motor, which is why we had to remove it. Now, I've removed the motor, and in the same way, it's time to deal with the drain pump. We'll remove the pump and show you how to take it apart. First, remove the clip that's attached to the pipe. This will allow us to access the pump. The clip is now removed, and the pipe has also been detached from the drain pump. Next, we've unscrewed all the screws that were holding the pump in place. Now, pull the stepper motor and fan towards yourself. See, just like this, as you pull, it comes out. Since this drain motor is in two parts, I'll now take out the body. The body is stuck inside the rubber part of the drain pump, so we've pulled it out. There's a black rubber here that's used to secure the pump tightly in place, preventing any leakage. This rubber also serves another purpose, which I'll explain to you later. As you can see, I've taken everything apart. Now, clean out this hole. If there's any dirt inside the drain pump, clean it thoroughly, and if the pump is still working fine, it should start draining properly. However, if the pump has burned out, there's no solution other than replacing the entire pump. You can see I've cleaned it up, and you should do the same, making sure everything is properly cleaned so no issues arise. Now, let's talk about this rubber, which is very important. It's designed with a specific purpose and serves a critical role. You need to remove any dirt or debris from this hole. If there's a lot of dirt inside, make sure to clean it out thoroughly. I've also cleaned the rubber, and you can see its shape is angled downwards. There are two holes placed opposite each other, and the head is covered from the outside. These holes are designed on the side so that no solid objects can fall directly into the pump. Look, I've also cleaned the cover of the pump body well. Now, I'll show you the motor, which I've also cleaned properly. At the back, you can see its coil and stepper motor, and at the front is the fan, which is used to drain the water out. On top, we have the electrical connections. Now, it's time to fit everything back together. You can install the rubber in any position in the hole so that it allows the water to drain. Next comes the pump body. I'm applying a light layer of grease to the pump body and the rubber to make sure it fits smoothly into the rubber. And along with that, I've also easily fitted the drain pump body into the rubber. Earlier, I tried, but it wasn't fitting properly. That's why I used grease, and in the same way, I've now fitted the pump back into place. All the screws for the drain pump have been tightened properly and in their correct positions. Now make sure to properly secure the electrical connections by ensuring the clips are seated correctly, just like this. Finally, press the clip over the pipe and release it so it tightens securely. And that's how the entire repair is completed. After this, the water will start draining properly again. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.